Alright, welcome back to my math class. Right, in today's class, we have an equation on the board and let's see how we can solve it. So let me read the question, then we'll see how we can solve it. Right, we have 2m squared minus 12 equal to 38 and we are asked to solve for m. Now let's look at the solution. Right, so solution, let's bring the original equation to the solution and work it out. So 2m raised to the power 2 minus 12 equal to 38. Now, when we get here, remember that what we are doing, we are looking, the question says that we should look for this subject m. But we are seeing this m with the power 2 and with also a coefficient. Anytime you see the subject like m with a number applied to it or a number that is associated to it, then that number is called what? Coefficient. But yes, let's see, we have m, which is the subject, but we see it with the power 2. Let's see how we deal with it. So now, this 2m squared, it means it's the same as what? 2 multiplied by what? M squared. So that is the meaning. You see, you are not seeing the multiplication sign in between. But when you see 2m squared, it means 2 multiplied times m squared. Now, we see this minus 12 also. Now, that is also what? Associated with it. Subtracting from these 2m squared. So, let's see. We have to transpose this minus 12. So, this is what we do. We are going to have 2m squared. Then, we're having minus 12. Now, minus 12, what number can cancel minus 12? That is positive 12. Anytime you see positive 12, it means minus 12 plus 12 is the same as what? 12 minus 12. That is the meaning. Because here is what? A minus or negative 12. That means there is nothing. You are having nothing. And then you are having something, or you own 12, you own something 12, and you are paying the same 12. So it's 0. So now here 2m squared. So we are going to use plus 12 to cancel this minus or negative 12. So we are going to have negative 12 plus 12. And remember, whatever you do here, now the difference is what? Plus 12. This is what the difference that is what? Added. We are having addition plus 12. You do the same to what? This 38. So we are going to have, so this is, let me rewrite it. We are going to have 2m squared minus 12 equal to 38. So meaning we are having positive 12 here. And here we are also having positive 12 here. That is the meaning. So if we want to rewrite here fully, we are going to have 2m squared minus 12, then plus 12 equal to 38 plus 12. So if we want to restate it or rewrite it, we are going to have 2m squared minus 12 plus 12 is what? 0. So we are going to have plus 0. Then we are going to have equal to 38 plus 12 will give us 50. So this is what we are going to have. Now, let's write this one here. We are having 2m squared plus 0 equal to 50. Right, so let's see from here, let's see how we are going to break this down. And at the end, we are going to have m equal to the answer. Right, so when we get here, what we do is this. This plus 0 is nil. So this is nil. That means there is nothing. So we are going to have 2m squared. This plus 0 is nil. So we are going to have equal to 50. Now, we've seen this. Anytime you have something like this equal to this, then now you can divide. Yes, so now we have to clear this 2, which is the coefficient, And this is what we do. Now we'll divide both this term and this term with 2. So both sides we are dividing both sides by 2 so that we can cancel 2 out. So divided by 2 divided by 2. So that 2 cancel 2. And then this 2 goes into 50 how many times? 25. Now this 2 goes into itself 1 and goes into 50 25. So we are going to have m squared equal to 25 divided by 1. And we remember that 2m squared equal to 25 divided by 1. Any number divided by 1 is the same number. So 25 divided by 1 is 25. Now when you get here, the question says that we should solve for m. And now we see the m with a power 2. So what we do, these 2, now we will apply the square root for both sides. And then we'll see what the answer will be. So we are going to have m squared equal to 25. Now, just as I told you, we'll have to use the square root for both sides so that we can cancel these 2. So we have a square root for the both sides so that this square root will cancel these 2. So we are going to have m equal to square root of 25 equal to 5. When you want to prove it, just with your calculator, send this 5 to where this m square is, which is going to be, just I told you from the beginning that 2m squared, it means 2 times m squared. So the m is what? 5. If you want to prove it, the m is 5. When you send it to where this 5 is, we are going to have 2 times this 5 square will give you what? 25. 25 times 2 will give you 50. Minus 12 will give you equal to 38. So finally, our answer is equal to m equal to 5. All right, keep on subscribing to my channel. Keep on liking my videos and share my videos. See you in the next video. Keep on following me. Bye for now.